Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for ETRADE retirement account. As you plan for your retirement, it is essential to make informed decisions about your ETRADE account to ensure a secure financial future. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices to help you make the most of your retirement account. First, it is crucial to understand the different types of retirement accounts offered by ETRADE, including traditional IRA, Roth IRA, and 401k. Each account has its unique features, benefits, and eligibility criteria. For example, traditional IRA allows you to deduct contributions from your taxable income, while Roth IRA offers tax-free growth and withdrawals. To get started, log into your ETRADE account and navigate to the retirement section. From there, you can view your account balance, investment portfolio, and transaction history. It is essential to monitor your account regularly to ensure that your investments are aligned with your retirement goals. One of the best practices for ETRADE retirement account is to diversify your investment portfolio. This can be achieved by investing in a mix of low-risk and high-risk assets, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. For example, you can allocate 60% of your portfolio to stocks and 40% to bonds. This diversification strategy can help you minimize risk and maximize returns over the long term. Another critical aspect of managing your ETRADE retirement account is to take advantage of tax-advantaged investments. For instance, you can invest in tax loss harvesting, which involves selling losing investments to offset gains from other investments. This strategy can help you reduce your tax liability and optimize your returns. In addition to investment strategies, it is vital to consider your retirement goals and risk tolerance when managing your ETRADE account. You can use the retirement calculator tool provided by ETRADE to estimate your retirement savings and income needs. This tool can help you determine how much you need to save each month to achieve your retirement goals. Finally, it is essential to review and adjust your ETRADE retirement account periodically to ensure that it remains aligned with your changing needs and goals. You can do this by rebalancing your portfolio, updating your investment strategy, and adjusting your contribution rate. In conclusion, managing your ETRADE retirement account requires careful planning, discipline, and patience. By following these best practices, you can create a secure and sustainable retirement income stream. Remember to diversify your portfolio. Take advantage of tax-advantaged investments. Consider your retirement goals and risk tolerance. And review your account regularly to ensure that you are on track to achieving your retirement objectives.